If your computer or your phone don't make you money, then throw them into the rubbish. In digital age, opportunities are wider than ever before. But how you use time and material you have is important to seize them. You can use them for good, or they will ruin and destroy your life. Please, I don't want this for you. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to make money while you are sleeping. Let's go. Welcome to your channel. I am Rodolphe AGUEMON, Manager of Digital Transformation. If I talk about digital transformation, it is because I am convinced that it is the only pillar on which Africa must rely to catch up with its technological delay. So if you want to be part of something bigger than yourself and grow, I want you to do two things. The first thing is to subscribe to the channel, and the second thing is to turn on the notification button so you don't miss a single video that I will upload. Do you want to make money while you are sleeping? When it comes to selling digital products, your title doesn't matter. As I said in my previous video, all you need is computer, phone, time, and energy. You are more than capable of transforming your passion, your talent, or your expertise into a potential source of revenue. All is about selling digital products. In other words, work less, earn more. Who doesn't want that, right? A digital product is one that exists only in digital form. Some might describe it as a product lacking a physical form that you can sell online. For example, audio file, PDF, website template, even video are digital products. But in this video, let me just focus on 4 digital products that you can sell online to make money like crazy. And the last one is the easiest and the quickest ways to make a lot of money. Let's go. The first one is online courses. The demand for online courses is rising, and people are willing to pay for that in order of being able to learn at home and in their own time. Selling online courses can be profitable as one of the best business models of digital entrepreneurs. You might be thinking that the industry is oversaturated, but rest assured that predictions show that the education industry will boom into a more than $319 billion by 2025. And keep in mind that people demand online courses because they can build a specific skill in a short period of time. You don't need to create your own platform. You can sell on Udemy, EdX, because they have credibility. For example, statistics show that the Udemy business revenue up 77% year over year, and they are making more than $215 million. Go and take your part. The second one is plugging. We want to achieve great results in a few period of time. That's why we use plugging. We use plugin for PowerPoint presentation, website creation, Excel file for financial reporting, VBA for automation, even video creation. If you want to sell plugin, you need to study the market and find out what people need. This is the business model behind Stripe Suite, and now they are making $1 million. The good news is that you can sell your plugin on platform like Envato. Envato is one of the best platforms to sell and buy plugin. And what is interesting is that you can sell plugin not just for WordPress, but for other CMS like Joomla, Drupal, and so on and so forth. The second one is Mojo Marketplace. Mojo Marketplace is one of the best platforms to sell and buy plugins, and they are making a lot of money in this platform. Go and take your part. The third digital product that you can sell to make a lot of money is video. Video consumption is not slowing down. In fact, more than 500 hours of video are watched on YouTube every day. Video consumption marketing is an effective marketing strategy. That's why business owners are looking for ways to make great video for marketing purpose. And all you need to do is to sell B-roll or template for video creation. This is a business model behind iStock. You can go on iStock and sell your video like crazy. Go and take your part because they are making a lot of money over there. The fourth digital product that you can sell online is ebook. Ebook is a great way to make a lot of money online because once you create it and you market it, it can be sell itself. What is interesting is template make ebook creation more easier than starting from scratch. And the best platform to sell your ebook is Amazon. They are making a lot of money over there. What are you waiting for? Go and take your part. I share with you different ways to make a lot of money. But you must realize something. You can start from $0 unless you have skills. But if you don't worry. My team and I will help you to make your dream a reality. If you have an idea and you are serious, you can click on the link below to connect with us and we will help you to make your ideas a reality. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's keep going together.